In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix "We've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device." Currently, many Telegram users still run into the frustrating message, "We've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device" when trying to log in. This happens because Telegram prioritizes sending login codes to an already active session on another device, rather than through SMS or email. The good news is that you can fix this easily and regain access even if you don't have your old device with you. The first thing you should try is requesting the code again and looking for the "didn't get the code" or "send via SMS" option, which usually appears after a short wait. Selecting this forces Telegram to send a code directly to your phone number instead of another device. If that doesn't appear immediately, try closing and reopening the app. Then logging in again. Often Telegram will switch to SMS verification after a few failed attempts to deliver to your old session. If you no longer have access to the device where the code was sent, but your phone number is still active, you're safe. Telegram will eventually default to SMS verification. However, if you've lost both the device and the phone number, recovery becomes much harder since Telegram accounts are tied strictly to the registered number. In that case, you would need to contact your mobile carrier to recover your number, SIM replacement, first before trying to log in again. Pro tip: if you do recover your account, immediately go into Telegram's settings to privacy and security to active sessions and end any old sessions on devices you no longer use. This prevents login codes from being redirected away from you again. Also, enable two-step verification inside Telegram, which lets you add a password on top of the SMS code, giving you a much more reliable and secure login experience even if you switch devices. Thank you for watching this video.